Hi everyone, my name is Adriane, NPM 202012500166, and today I want to talk about pronunciation sounds that contains vowels and diphthongs that I have learned. First, E. Example, think. I think this is their house. I think this is their house. Number 2, E. Example, routine. That's my daily routine. Number 3, Example, put. Did you put sugar in my coffee? Number 4, Example, true. I think that is true. Number 5, R. Example, art. That's a beautiful piece of art. Number 6, Example, fun. We had a lot of fun at John's party. Number 7, O. Example, soft. The blanket was soft and dry. Number 8, O. Example, draw. You draw beautifully. Number 9, E. Example, center. He walked to the center. Number 10, A. Example, bad. I have a bad news. Number 11, Example, hurt. My back is really hurt. Number 12, Example, against. The fight against terrorism. Number 13, E. Example, fear. The child was shaking with fear. Number 14, air. Example, spare. Do you have any spare time? Number 15, A. Example, main. The main dish is pasta. Number 16, I. Example, right. You are right. Number 17, oi. Example, point. You get my point, right? Number 18, O. Example, open. She left the door wide open. Number 19, ow. Example, now. It's too late now. it's too late now. That's all from me. Thank you very much for watching and understanding.